Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your Google Maps home address navigation setup step by step clearly. Open the Google Maps app on your phone and make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. Tap your profile picture or initial in the top right corner to open the account menu. Select Settings from the menu to access your Google Maps preferences. In Settings, find and tap Edit Home or Work, or Go to Places if that is what your version shows. Tap Home to start changing the saved home address. If you already have a home address saved, tap the three dots or the pencil icon next to Home to edit it. If home is empty, tap Set Home to add your address for the first time. In the search bar, type your new home address slowly and accurately. Choose the correct suggestion from the drop-down list to avoid location mistakes. If the suggestion is wrong, tap the backspace and retype including city and postal code. To set it by map instead, choose the map option if available and move the pin to your exact home location. Zoom in on the map to place the pin precisely on your building or entrance. Tap Done, Save, or Confirm to store the new home address. Go back to the main map screen to verify that home now appears in your saved places. Tap the search bar and type Home to confirm it brings up the updated location. Tap Directions to test navigation from your current position to your new home address. Check the route preview to confirm it points to the correct street and side of the road. If you use voice navigation, tap Start briefly to ensure it begins routing correctly. If Google Maps still shows the old home, close the app completely and reopen it. Make sure Location Services is enabled on your phone so navigation can update properly. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, and allow Google Maps while using the app. On Android, go to Settings, Location, App Permissions, and allow Google Maps location access. If you share your home and family features, confirm everyone is using the same updated address. If you use Google Assistant, say Navigate Home to check that it uses the new home location. If it does not update, open the Google app and confirm your home address in Google account settings as well. To avoid confusion, delete any duplicate saved places that look like your old home address. If you travel often, consider setting Work to so Google Maps can offer faster route suggestions. Finally, keep the app updated from the App Store or Google Play to match the latest menu layout. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.